traders traders favorite coin is going to be Cardano, right? So yesterday I did talk about this pattern here, which was actually a right angle descending broadening wedge. You haven't met the technical target just yet, which is going to be 0.5708. So you actually went down, came up, went down, came up, breakout, come down for the retest, and you're looking to come up here. So it's pretty much doing something that I wanted to do, and that is going to be a wavy journey. Okay, so keep in mind you don't want to lose this level, which is going to be down here at zero point 0.5. If you actually come down to zero point 0.5 and take zero point 0.5 out of the equation, then you're going to be making a fake out and maybe come down again to this level and finally break to the upside, and you're gonna have even higher targets. But at the moment, it should somehow come up to 5708, and that sums it up for this altcoin party. Do let me know if you want any coin you want me to talk about. Drop the name of the coin in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.